In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a custom transparent Steam profile. If you've seen Steam profiles that look sleek, minimal, and almost transparent, the first thing to know is that this effect is usually created through smart customization, not through a true transparency setting. Steam does not normally let you make your profile background actually transparent, so what people are doing is building the illusion of transparency by combining the right visual elements. To start, head over to the Steam Points shop and look for a transparent themed or very minimal profile background. The goal here is to choose something dark, subtle, or visually clean enough that it blends nicely with Steam's existing profile layout. Backgrounds with soft gradients, black or gray tones, faint textures, or empty space tend to work especially well. When the artwork doesn't clash with the layout, the profile can appear much cleaner and more seamless, which helps create that transparent look people are aiming for. As you browse, take your time comparing how different backgrounds might sit behind your profile sections. A busy or colorful background can make the page feel crowded, while a simpler one helps the interface elements stand out less. That's really the key to the overall effect, making the profile feel visually lightweight. Next, use a special profile theme from the Steam Points shop. Some Steam profile themes change the overall appearance of your page and can make it look more polished, minimal, or closer to that transparent style. Depending on the theme, you may notice cleaner panels, darker tones, or a layout that blends more smoothly with your chosen background. This is why the theme matters just as much as the background. Even a great background may not produce the right effect unless the profile theme complements it. Try to pair your theme and background so they feel consistent together. If your background is subtle and dark, a matching theme will usually make the profile look much more intentional and visually smooth. One important thing to keep in mind is that Steam does not allow real transparent profile backgrounds through its normal customization options. So if you see a so-called transparent Steam profile, it's almost always a creative combination of background choices, profile themes, and sometimes artwork showcases that all work together to fake the appearance. So the best way to get this look is to focus on visual harmony. Pick a background that blends in, choose a theme that supports that style, and understand that the final result is an illusion rather than a built-in transparent setting. With the right combination, you can make your Steam profile look clean, modern, and impressively close to transparent.